Welcome to this new video tutorial of the Rotary Akito Evo Premium Tire Changer. To get started, use the pneumatic wheel lift to easily lift the wheel via the foot pedals and place it on the center post. Then use the Smart Lock to lock the rim in position. The Akito Evo Premium is equipped with easy-to-use controls that can accurately position the clamping plate with an electro-actuated movement. Now use the controls to lower the upper roller to the edge of the wheel. Once it's properly positioned, the roller will indent automatically. Next, use the foot pedal to rotate the wheel, greasing the edge as you break the wheel's bead. Now, raise the upper roller out of the way and raise the lower roller to break the bottom bead. Then rotate the wheel as you grease the edge. Next, lower the patented mounting tool. You can save its position by pressing the memory button. This allows you to quickly return to the desired position later. Now, rotate the wheel and lower the mounting tool. Once the bead has been grabbed, raise the mounting tool and rotate the wheel to pull the top bead off. Then raise the mounting tool up and remove the tire. To remount the wheel, press the memory button so that the tool lowers to its previously stored position. Then rotate the wheel. Now, lower the upper roller until it automatically indents. Next, place the traction tool to protect the valve, and then rotate the wheel until the bead is in place. Remove the traction tool and raise the patented mounting tool and the upper roller disc. Finally, start inflating the tire. Alternatively, for a difficult tire, you can use the provided pneumatic helper arm to make the mounting procedure easier. Once the wheel is finished, use the pneumatic wheel lift to easily lower the wheel. Another great feature is the center post has 3 adjustable positions and a patented extra grip clamping plate. The Rotary Akito Evo Premium Tire Changer is the must-have companion in your shop. For more information, visit us online.